Our innovative design proposed tunnelling with direct pipe rather than trenching in roads. This reduced the pipeline by 2 kilometres and the number of pump stations from 3 to 1. This saved $20 million and over 22,000 tonnes of carbon emissions. The pump station was built using a caisson method, sinking the tank under its own weight, minimising the site footprint and environmental impacts. Direct pipe enabled us to tunnel long distances and cross under Duck Creek and the Mahurangi River. Sustainability was key. Moving to mains power saved 8,000 litres of diesel and 29 tonnes of carbon. Excavated aggregate and sand were recycled, and PE pipe offcuts were sent to future posts to be reused. 98% of our team live locally, reducing transport emissions, and we supported local businesses and community events. On top of innovations and sustainability, we delivered the project 3 months ahead of schedule, 3% under budget, with impressive carbon savings and high levels of customer satisfaction.